Hey there, it's Pauline from Zilch Beauty, certified makeup artist in New York City. And today I'm going to be showing you a really fast and easy way to get glam and get going with Subtl's makeup stacks. So if you haven't seen them, they look like this. You can buy all the bits and pieces online and make them as big, as small, as tall as you want. And the idea is that you're able to just throw these in a bag and be on the go. We're obviously in quarantine, and I don't know about you, but I cannot wait for the day when I can go out to dinner with friends, go get a drink, socialize, and I want to look good for that first going out moment. So I'm going to show you how you can get that look with all of their products. Actually going to be showing you some ways how you can make some of your products multi-use, things that you might not think of to use in other areas of your face to put a really quick, beautiful, more glammed up look together. So if you are interested, definitely keep on watching. And in honor of that, cheers. Also, I'm at my parents' house and the most glammed up thing I have is a beach cover up, so that's where we are. The first thing I'm going to do is put a little bit of a base on. I'm actually going to use some BB cream that's separate from the stacks just because I'm going to feel better about my makeup staying in place. So I just apply BB cream with my hands normally. That's going to be my base. So now I'm going to go into the stack, and I'm actually going to use a couple different concealers to start my look. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Arlington for under my eyes, and I'm just gonna start with my finger. Then I'm gonna use a brush to buff that out. Because we're gonna add some shadow vibes to this, I'm actually gonna apply the concealer on top of my lids. For anyone who doesn't know, if you don't have any eyeshadow primer, concealer works great. So just kind of make sure you get that all around your lid. So here is where we are with all of that. Okay, so now that my base is basically on, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a deeper concealer shade. I actually just did a video on this, how to utilize some darker concealer shades to start building out a contour. So I'm gonna go in with their shade Bloomfield, and I'm just gonna use my finger. I'm gonna use this in a few different areas. I'm gonna start to build my contour line. So this is definitely a little bit more than I would do on a normal day. I'm gonna use their retractable brush just to start buffing that out. I'm just going in kind of circular motions all over. Now that that's blended out, I'm gonna go in with the Shine Control powder. I'm gonna use a foundation brush, and I'm just gonna start to set under my eyes, anywhere it gets sweaty. So like for me, that's around my mouth. And to go over that contour, I'm gonna use their bronzer, their powder bronzer in the shade Warm, to set that cream contour shade in place. And I'm actually gonna go in with that same bronzer with an eyeshadow brush and start to build out a bit of a warm shadow shade here. So you just wanna put this in the crease the way that you would a transition shade. It's gonna look super pretty because it's kind of building on that monochrome look that you already have going. And one of my favorite tricks for like a more zhuzhed up look is to go in with the compact end of a brush and pull that deeper color underneath. So you can really start to see some definition here, which is really pretty. Then you just want to make sure that those connect. So now to give me some color, I'm gonna go in with one of their lip and cheek shades. This one is called Dusty Rose, and it's just so pretty on the lips and on the cheeks. And then to top off, I'm going to use their Universal Highlighter. Nice little fan brush here to get right on top of my cheekbone. And then favorite part, just to zhuzh up a look for going out. You always can use a little sparkle. And you're just gonna pull that into the bronzer that you started. And it's just so easy because it's just those two things. So now I'm just gonna do my brows and my lashes. And then if you really want to be extra, you can set it all in place. Just like that, you have a really easy, beautiful going out look that you could rock any time of year, honestly. Who knows when this quarantine will end, but you gonna look good when it does. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and more videos coming soon. Bye.